Very few pain, very smooth, and it was definitely a seamless process through the first day. Hi everyone, my name is Alessio, coming from Italy. I live in Dublin. I just came here to HWT clinic in Istanbul because I met a guy in Dublin who had been here before. Actually, we were at the hairdresser. He had beautiful hair, absolutely beautiful hair, and we were talking, and at a certain point he came out saying, "Oh, you know, I had a hair transplant. I thought it was impossible," and so immediately asked him where he came, and that's the place, and everything was very smooth, very nice. The team was very helpful, and it was definitely a very good experience so far. So the first day I arrived here in Istanbul, and I didn't have to think about anything. I took my transfer to the hotel, I had a good rest, and the day after I came to the clinic that is actually very cozy. When I arrived, it was absolutely only me with a full team dedicated to help with anything. I took my blood test in the morning, I got my line drawn on my head, and they were very nice, deciding together which was the best way to make it. And after that, the operation was very smooth with the sedation. I basically didn't feel anything, and actually it was way quicker than what I thought with the sedation and stuff. Very few pain, very smooth, and it was definitely a seamless process through the first day. So after the operation, I went back to hotel. It was a long day. I just rested, I had my dinner, and actually I didn't have any pain to the operated area. Sleeping was fine, just a tiny bit of headache, but at the clinic they are very nice. They give you all the pills and drugs you have to take post-operation, painkillers, antibiotics. You don't really have to think about anything. And night was fine. Waking up, I came back to the clinic where I had my teeth whitening. I just had it. And even this was a very smooth process, no pain, absolutely quick and smooth. Very good experience so far. So YouTube followers, what are you waiting for? Just look at the videos, get more information. The experience was very nice. I would definitely suggest it. And most of all, the thing that I like the most is that you don't really have to think about anything. Since when you arrive to when you leave, everything is smooth, easy, goes well, and have my thumb up.